मैं कैमरे में मुस्कुरा दिया।
I grinned into the camera. I grinned into the camera.
इसने अपना चेहरा उसकी तरफ झुका लिया।
She lowered her face to his. She lowered her face to his.
मैंने फोन को और करीब पकड़ा।
I held the phone closer. I held the phone closer.
वो सीधी स्कूल की तरफ बढ़ रही थी।
She was headed straight for school. She was headed straight for school.
ओले गाड़ी से टकराए।
The hail pounded against the car. The hail pounded against the car.
बिल्ली काउंटर पर लेटी हुई थी।
The cat was lying on the counter. The cat was lying on the counter.
वो पिछले महीने यहाँ मुंतकिल हुए थे।
They moved in here last month. They moved in here last month.
इसकी गिरफ्त इसकी कलाई के गर्द कम हो गई।
His grip lessened around her wrist. His grip lessened around her wrist.
मैंने उसके नीचे से चटाई हटा दी।
I shifted the mat from beneath him. I shifted the mat from beneath him.
वो पीछे से भाग गए।
They escaped from behind. They escaped from behind.